First, open Mozilla Firefox. If it's already open, just open a new tab. Right below the search bar, you'll see your existing shortcuts. If you don't see them, that means the shortcut feature is currently disabled. To enable it, click on the menu icon, 3 lines at the top right corner, and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Home from the left sidebar. Now scroll down to the Firefox Home Content section, and under Shortcuts, check the box to enable them. Once done, open a new tab again, and now you should see your shortcuts displayed below the search bar. As you can see, I already have a few shortcuts, YouTube and Facebook. To add a new shortcut, click on any empty square with the pencil icon. A pop-up window will appear. In the first box, type the name of your shortcut. For example, I'll type X, Twitter. In the next box, type or paste the URL. I'll type twitter.com. If you'd like, you can also add a custom image for your shortcut by pasting the image URL in the optional box below. When you're done, click Add, and that's it. Your new shortcut will now appear on your Firefox home screen. If you ever want to edit or delete a shortcut, just click the 3 dots on that shortcut and choose Edit or Dismiss. And that's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.